Okay, the next question is that how many total number of hosts are there in this network? So let's solve this example together. Simply, what we have to write, what is the formula for total number of hosts? 2 raised to power h, right? So 2 raised to power h means 2 raised to power 32 minus given mask, right? And here the given mask is what? 29. So 2 raised to power 32 minus 29, which means 2 raised to power 3, which gives us total 8 usable, total 8 number of IP addresses, total number of hosts. So which means that in this network actually there will be 8 hosts, 8 IP addresses available, and out of this usable IP addresses will be 8 minus 2, because the formula for that is 2 raised to power h minus 2. So 2 raised to power h is 8 and minus 2, which means it gives us 6 usable IP addresses. These are usable and these are total IP addresses. So this is how we can find number of IP addresses. And what are those IP addresses that we are going to convert, that we are going to calculate and find in the next module of this series of IP subnetting. So here we have 8 IP addresses total, 8 hosts, and then 6 usable. Let's see this solved example. So this is the solved version. So which means that simply we take this 29 and put into our formula for 2 raised to power h, which means total number of hosts, and 32 minus 29 is 3, which gives us 8. And if we want usable IP hosts, so then 8 minus 2, which is 6. So these are the two answers. So this means this kind of subnet will have total 8 IP addresses which can be used, and the given mask is /29. So this is how we can solve. We can find that how many IP addresses, if I use this subnet, how many IP addresses am I going to get through this. We can also calculate the number of IP addresses from IP subnet calculator. Online IP subnet calculator, you can use any of the calculator, but we will use here NetworkWalks. So I'll share this link also in the comments. So let's say we want how many hosts. So we want, for example, 8 number of IP addresses, and our subnet is 10.0.0. What was the original subnet? 10.0.0/29, right? So out of 10.0.0/29, we are finding 8 usable hosts and 8 total number of hosts and 6 usable IP addresses, and this is the range also. So once you are expert, then you will be using calculator, no need to do yourself. If you want 16, for example, then your network will become 10.0.0/28 and so on. If you want to use /27, it can give you 32. So this is how you can play with it, and you can find the number of hosts from each subnet. This is the solved version of it.